This Crown Lake home sits on a cove near the Crown Lake Resort. It has a property across the street from it that is not going to have a home built on it. It's a nice grassy area, so you don't have to worry about anybody across the street. It has a large kitchen with all the appliances included: refrigerator, dishwasher, stove, microwave. It does have a breakfast bar with a view off of the dining and living area. There is a screened-in porch that has some sunshades, so if you would rather not have the sun glaring in at you, or if you want to enjoy the lake view, you can do it either way. There is an open dining living room, so you could have a dining set and living set as they have it set up. All the furniture in this video conveys with the property. The primary suite and a second bedroom is on the main level. The primary suite has a deck that you can walk onto and has stairs to the lower level. It has a walk-in closet plus 2 other closets in the primary suite, as well as a 3/4 bath. The laundry is just down the hall, and the second bedroom has access to another bathroom on this level. It has a full bath with a bathtub and a linen closet. And then there is a fully finished basement with its own kitchen, and again that comes with all the appliances, refrigerator, microwave, stove. Doesn't have a dishwasher downstairs, but there is a family room, and you could probably use the area under the stairs as a safe room since against that concrete back wall. There is another bedroom on the lower level, as well as another bathroom, a 3/4 bath, and all the furniture again in this room stays. Plus, on the lower level, there is also a shop, and this is where you're going to be able to access all your utilities, your water heater, your water softener, your furnace, and there's also some tables to use in the shop area, and there's a set of double doors that you could use to put if you wanted to store your lawnmower or your golf cart, as well as the patio that is partially covered on the lower level. There are a few steps down to the walkway that goes down to the dock. There is a pump at the dock as well as power at the dock that you can pump water back up to the lawn, so that it makes it a little easier that you're not using the house water to water your lawn.